Colonel, retired from Indian Army about 15 years ago. Last 2 years, I developed my tooth molar problem. So I utilized the facilities provided by ex-servicemen health scheme and also RR. They could not resolve it. So through certain contacts, I came to know about IdentityPlus, where Dr. Sharad Gupta, Dr. Vishakha examined me. After examining, they gave a treatment plan which extended for about 6 to 7 months, and they assured me that I will be relieved of my problem. Therefore, I took their advice and went for the treatment. As advised by them, it was done, and I got relieved of my problem within 6 months' time. It was a tooth implant which has been successful. After retirement, I joined ISKCON, where Lord Krishna's prayer is needed without any trouble, and this has helped me enhancing my Krishna consciousness.